Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize canonical tag checks with Screaming Frog step by step clearly. Open Screaming Frog SEO Spider on your computer. Navigate to the top menu and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, click on SEO Spider. Make sure the option Check Canonicals is enabled. This option allows Screaming Frog to crawl and analyze canonical tags on your website. Next, input your website's URL in the Enter URL to Spider field. Click on the Start button to begin the crawl. Wait for the crawl to complete, which may take a few moments depending on your site size. Once the crawl finishes, navigate to the Canonical tab in the Results section. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages with their corresponding canonical tags. Review the canonical linked column to check if the canonical tags are pointing to the correct URLs. You can also compare the status code column to ensure there are no errors with the canonical links. If needed, export the data by going to the top menu and selecting File. Then click on Export, and choose your preferred format for. This will help you keep a record of your canonical tag checks for future reference. Regularly conducting these checks ensures SEO best practices are followed on your site. This process aids in identifying any inconsistencies with your canonical tags. Ultimately, it strengthens your website's search engine optimization strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.